Looking to build strength without equipment? Here are 8 essential bodyweight exercises everyone should do to stay fit and strong, right at home. Before starting the video, let me know in the comments what your age is. Number 1. Lunges. They are a dynamic exercise that effectively targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform a lunge, start by standing tall with feet hip-width apart. Step forward with one leg, lowering your body until both knees form 90-degree angles, keeping your front knee over your ankle. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Alternate legs for a balanced workout. Lunges improve lower body strength, balance, and flexibility. To intensify the exercise, you can add weights or increase the number of repetitions. With proper form, lunges help sculpt toned legs and enhance entire stability. Number 2. Dips. They are a powerful bodyweight exercise that primarily targets the triceps, shoulders, and chest. To perform this move, you'll need a stable surface like a bench or a sturdy chair. Begin by sitting on the edge, placing your hands beside your hips, fingers facing forward. Slide your hips off the edge and extend your legs out in front of you, keeping your heels on the floor. Lower your body by bending your elbows to a 90-degree angle, ensuring your elbows stay close to your sides. Push yourself back up to the starting position, engaging your triceps and shoulders. Dips are fantastic for building upper body strength and endurance, and they can be modified to increase difficulty by adding weight or adjusting leg positions. Consistently including dips into your workout routine can lead to significant improvements in muscle tone and upper body strength. Plus, they can be done anywhere with minimal equipment, making them a versatile addition to any fitness regimen. Number 3. Squats. A foundational bodyweight exercise that targets your lower body, particularly the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, keeping your chest up and core engaged. Lower your hips as if sitting back into a chair, ensuring your knees don't extend past your toes, and your thighs are parallel to the floor. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Squats not only build strength but also improve balance and mobility. They can be modified by adding jumps, pulses, or holding weights to increase intensity and challenge your muscles. Number 4. Mountain climbers. They are a dynamic, full-body exercise that boosts heart fitness and strengthens the core, arms, and legs. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Rapidly alternate bringing one knee towards your chest, then switching legs, mimicking a climbing motion. Keep your core tight and your hips stable to maximize the exercise's effectiveness. This fast-paced movement not only engages multiple muscle groups but also enhances coordination and endurance. Mountain climbers are perfect for high-intensity workouts, offering both strength-building benefits and a cardio challenge to elevate your heart rate. Number 5. Push-ups. They are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises to build upper body strength. They target the chest, shoulders, triceps, and even engage your core for stability. Begin in a plank position, with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest is just above the floor, then push back up. The simplicity of push-ups makes them versatile. You can modify them by adjusting hand placement, incline, or adding variations like clapping push-ups to increase difficulty and keep your muscles challenged. Number 6. Burpees. A high-intensity, full-body exercise that combines strength and cardio, making them a powerful addition to any workout. Begin standing, then squat down and place your hands on the floor. Jump your feet back into a plank position, perform a push-up, then jump your feet forward to your hands and explosively jump into the air with your arms overhead. This movement engages your legs, core, chest, and shoulders while boosting endurance. Burpees burn calories fast and improve cardio fitness, strength, and coordination, making them an excellent choice for those looking to maximize their workout efficiency. Number 7. Glutes bridges. A powerful exercise for strengthening and toning your glutes and hamstrings. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips toward the ceiling by squeezing your glutes, keeping your shoulders and feet grounded. Lower your hips back down slowly. This simple move enhances lower body strength, stability, and core engagement while improving posture. Number 8. Plank. The plank is a core strengthening exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, including your abs, back, shoulders, and glutes. Start by positioning yourself in a push-up stance, but instead of lowering down, hold your body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight, your back flat, and your gaze down to maintain proper form. The goal is to hold this position for as long as possible, gradually increasing time as you build endurance. Planks are great for improving posture, stability, and overall strength, making them a must-have in any fitness routine. These 8 bodyweight exercises are essential for building strength, improving fitness, and achieving a toned physique. Incorporate them into your routine to work your entire body effectively, no equipment needed, right from home. By the way friends, see you soon for more interesting facts about human health.